Another common question we get, sometimes the fridge will show either some flashing red code or simply it will be turned off. If it is ever turned off, make sure that your main cabin battery is on, and make sure you set this. So what we suggest is setting it to A, which is auto, and it should be draining either from the house battery, or if you have your LP gas on, it'll be draining from the propane. It'll automatically switch, or if you're on shore power, then it'll convert to shore power. But if this ever starts tripping, flashing, just reset the fridge, turn it off, and turn it on by holding the power button.